Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Baking Secrets by Adna. In today's video we're going to make pavlovas. They are very easy to prepare and they are perfect for summer, so let's get started. In the bowl of your stand mixer you are going to add your egg whites and you're going to mix this on medium to high speed until you reach soft peaks consistency. Now that our egg whites have reached the consistency you want, you're going to add your sugar 1 tablespoon at a time. Once all your sugar has been added to the mixture, you're going to leave your mixer on high speed for at least 3 more minutes until you're nice and glossy. Now that our meringue mixture is ready, I'm going to scoop about 1 tablespoon of the mixture on a parchment paper and create a circle. Using my spoon, I'm going to create a hole in the middle so I can later add my whipped cream and my fruits. And repeat the same process until you run out of mixture. Our pavlovas are ready to go into the oven and you're going to bake them at 150 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. Then you're going to leave them to cool completely inside the oven for about 1 and 1.5 hours. In a large mixing bowl, you are going to prepare the toppings for our pavlovas. You are going to add in your cream, and your powdered sugar. And you're going to mix this until stiff peaks. Now that my cream is ready, I'm going to decorate my pavlovas. I'm going to scoop my whipped cream on top. And then I'm going to decorate using some fresh fruits. You can use any fruits you like strawberries, kiwi, orange, or anything else you want. Our pavlovas are now ready and you can serve them right away. Don't forget that you can find all of the tools I use in the description box below. Thank you for watching guys, hope you like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for next week's video.